And welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. With today's lifestyle, we often collect a lot of tension. Have you ever noticed when you're feeling stressed, your neck and shoulders tighten up? In today's video, we will practice a few simple Qigong movements to keep the neck and shoulders nice and supple. And now, let's get started. This practice can be done standing or be seated. Feel free to take a seat if needed. We will begin with the neck massage. Take one of your hands to the back of your head. Starting from the base of your head, use the fingers to massage along the spinal column from the wind mansion point towards C7. And repeat 2 more times. Massage from top and down. Next, we will massage along the side of the tendons, starting from the wind pull point that is near the origin point of the trapezius muscles. Second side. Now massage the lateral and front part of the neck. Massage both left and right. Release your hands down. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw the chin to your chest. Inhale, bring the chin back. Exhale, lift the chin towards the sky. One more time, and follow your breath. Bring the chin back to center and hug your right arm over the chest. And use the left elbow to pinch this arm close to the chest. And tuck your chin slightly. Keep the neck straight. Mindfully turn your head to the right. Slowly turn to the left. And from there, draw the chin closer to the left shoulder. Slowly circle the neck to the right. And then back to the left. Return to center. Switch your arms. Let's work on the second side. Hug the left arm across the chest. Use the right elbow to pinch. Lengthen through your neck while rotating your neck to the left, then to the right. From there, draw the chin closer to the shoulder. Slowly, the neck draws a half circle back and forth, and return to center. Bring your hands behind you. Interlace the fingers. Press the palms towards each other. Tuck the chin slightly. Hold the fist down as you're breathing out. Drawing the shoulder blades towards each other. You might also try to lift the fist a little bit away from your tailbone. Release your hands. Shake your arms and your wrists. And then extend the right arm up and back. Next, left arm up and back. Alternate the arms as if you are swimming backstroke. Keep the chin tucked. This is great for the shoulder joints and the entire back. Bring your arms back. Shrug the right shoulder forward, up and back, and then left shoulder forward. Exaggerate this movement as if you're trying to brush your jaw with the head of your shoulder. This loosens up all the muscles across our upper back, thoracic spine. Come back to center, feet hip width, knees slightly bent. Interlace the fingers in front of you. Slowly lift your hands up and flip the palms, then press up. Take breath in. As you exhale, rotating the arms to your right waist, turn your head to the left and looking up to the sky. Press the hands down. With the next breath, move the hands up and rotating to the left and gazing up. A few more times at your own pace. With the fingers interlaced, this arm rotation helps relieve tension from the muscles connected to our entire spine. So upper back, middle back, and lower back all feel better. This is my favorite movement. Make sure you look up as you're pressing the hands down towards the earth. Have you noticed the muscles in your eyes are also getting a nice workout when you're looking up? Back to center. Shrug the right shoulder forward and up, and lift the arm over your head. Then the left shoulder forward and up. Left arm go over your head. We are bending the elbows and aiming the elbow high each time. Still as if we are backstroke swimming, but our intention is not going very fast. Lift the elbows high and stretch the side of the body each time. Come back to center. Bring your hands to your waist. Prepare for neck rotation. Stand or sit nice and tall, spine lengthening. Draw your chin to your chest. Slowly rotate your neck clockwise for 2 rounds. And counterclockwise. Back to center. Cup the left shoulder head 9 times. And cup the right side. Cup the torso. The left side of the torso. The right side. Massage the back of the neck. Massage the shoulder. When you hold your hands like this, where the middle finger touches the upper shoulder, is a location for a very important acupressure point named shoulder well. This point often feels tender to the touch when shoulders are tight. You can apply acupressure over this point or grab onto it. Try to lift the shoulder well. Switch to the second side. Rub your hands together. Massage your face 9 times. Massage your ears 9 times. Cup your head and your neck. Bring your hands to your heart. Friends, this concludes our quick session for neck and shoulders. Do your neck and shoulders feel nice and relaxed? I'd love to hear from you. Please give a thumb up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.